Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eclairs without eggs. Eclairs are a beloved French pastry, known for their light, hollow shells and creamy fillings. While traditionally egg-rich, we'll explore a fantastic method to achieve a similar, delightful result. You can expect a wonderful dessert that is 80 to 85% close to the classic version, perfect for any occasion. To begin our eggless chew pastry, combine 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Next, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once, stirring vigorously with a wooden spoon until the dough forms a ball and pulls away from the pan. Remove it from the heat, then gradually mix in your chosen egg replacer, ensuring it's fully incorporated for a sticky, pipeable dough. Now it's time to shape your eclairs. Transfer the prepared dough into a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe 3 to 4 inch long strips onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees for another 15 minutes. Let them cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar to maintain their crispness. With your eclair shells perfectly baked and cooled, it's time for the best part, filling and glazing. You can slice them horizontally or pipe your chosen filling into the ends. A classic choice is a rich, eggless pastry cream or perhaps a light, sweetened whipped cream. For the finishing touch, prepare a simple chocolate ganache by melting 2 ounces of chocolate with a little less than 1/4 cup of whipping cream. Dip the tops of your filled eclairs into this warm glaze for a beautiful, delicious finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.